Hey everyone, welcome back to Robot Explains. Today we will talk about how fish breathe underwater. Fish breathe underwater through a specialized organ called a gill. Gills are located on either side of the fish's head and are made up of thin, feathery filaments that are rich in blood vessels. When water flows over the gills, oxygen molecules are able to diffuse across the thin walls of the blood vessels and into the fish's bloodstream. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism, diffuses out of the fish's bloodstream and into the water. Fish gills are highly efficient at extracting oxygen from water, thanks to the large surface area of the filaments and the high blood flow through the gills. The gill arches are lined with a thin, moist membrane that is rich in blood vessels. As water flows over the gills, oxygen molecules in the water diffuse across the membrane and into the fish's bloodstream, where they bind to hemoglobin in the fish's red blood cells. Fish also have a unique adaptation known as countercurrent exchange, which helps them extract oxygen more efficiently. This process involves water flowing in the opposite direction of blood flow through the gills, allowing for a constant concentration gradient of oxygen between the water and the fish's bloodstream. This means that oxygen-rich water is constantly flowing over the gills, while oxygen-poor blood is constantly flowing through the gills, maximizing the amount of oxygen the fish can extract. In addition to gills, some fish also have a specialized organ called the swim bladder, which helps them control their buoyancy. The swim bladder is a gas-filled sac located in the abdomen that can be adjusted to change the fish's density and make it easier for the fish to swim at different depths. This allows the fish to swim upward or downward to find areas of water with the optimal oxygen levels. Fish also have a unique adaptation known as the laryngeal lung, which is specialized lung tissue located in the larynx, voice box, and is used by some species of fish such as lungfishes and mudskippers that can allow them to extract oxygen from air when they are out of water. This adaptation enables the fish to survive in environments where water is scarce, such as during droughts. In summary, fish breathe underwater through specialized organs called gills. Gills are located on either side of the fish's head and are made up of thin, feathery filaments that are rich in blood vessels. When water flows over the gills, oxygen molecules are able to diffuse across the thin walls of the blood vessels and into the fish's bloodstream, while carbon dioxide diffuses out of the fish's bloodstream and into the water. Fish also have adaptations such as countercurrent exchange, swim bladder, and laryngeal lung, which helps them extract oxygen more efficiently and survive in different environments. And finally, 2 funny facts. Fish can breathe through their mouths and gills at the same time. This means they can inhale water and oxygen simultaneously, making it possible for them to get a double dose of oxygen with each breath. Fish can also hold their breath for a long time. Some species can stay underwater for hours without taking a single gulp of air. This ability has inspired people to try and do the same, leading to the creation of the Fish Hold Challenge. It's a fun game, but not recommended as it can be dangerous. If you like our video, press like and subscribe.